Hey everybody, Russ here from The Roads We Roam. We are on our way to Elkhart to visit the open house. And guess who's there? Xtreme Outdoors, formerly known as Liberty Outdoors. And they've got a brand new unit that they're super excited to show us, and we're super excited to show you. It's called the MicroMax. The MicroMax is a garageable unit. That's right, garageable. Along these roads we roam, we find adventure through traveling, camping, boondocking, and exploring.
For a small rig, this has a massive amount of countertop space and workspace. Look at this. They have a charging station with 12 volt and 110 options. I really like the sink. They have a really deep basin, very nice finishes. Always love a window over the sink. They also have a really great 2-burner stove top with a very nice backsplash. It also comes with a microwave as well. It has a Dometic fridge. And your systems monitor, which has your water pump, your lights, and your gas. So when we first got in here, I was looking for where they said they had the cassette toilet. This is really cool. So the bed area converts from the dinette, which is currently in the down position. I'll tell you, this is actually pretty comfortable. You can use the area down below the dinette for storage, and there's an AC unit in the unit as well.
100% hardwood cabinetry with dovetail construction, full kitchen, Thetford porta-potty, and a 19-inch TV with a swing arm mount. Custom double bed, entertainment center, custom pillow top mattress, underbed storage, AC, and a quick recovery water heater. There is a Rough Rider package available including off-road tires, a spare and 2-inch lift, as well as solar panels. Well, that's the MicroMax. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see some other tours we've done, check out the playlists here.